Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, plus a whole lot of different alternative cryptocurrencies are supposed to be traded with a lot of caution. I know right now a lot of you have got your palms itchy because you really want to make a whole lot of money. But hey, when it comes to the cryptocurrency game, you just have to time the market perfectly in order for you to make a whole lot of money. And right now, what we're going to be talking about is when you guys are supposed to be buying Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, 0x, Coin, Nanocoin, whatever alternative cryptocurrency that you really want to get. That's what we're going to be talking about in this particular video. So what I want you to do right now is kindly smash the like button. We need about 50 likes in order for us to have a very good visibility on the YouTube channel, because I'm really putting in a lot of work. So right now I'm kindly asking you to smash the like button, and in case you've got any other questions for me, drop them in the comment section below. Plus subscribe to my YouTube channel, because everybody's really going to be making a lot of money. So without further ado, I just have one brief message for you guys, because I really want you to be extremely careful, because as you can see right now, we are looking at the cryptocurrency total market cap excluding BTC. So what we're basically looking at is obviously, this whole entire cryptocurrency market minus Bitcoin. Okay, the most important thing that I really wanted to make mention is the fact that we are kind of overbought right now. And if you look at the total market cap, which is about 75 billion US dollars, right? If you just take a look at this is obviously looking at the daily interval. We are very, very overbought. If you look at the higher time intervals, right, we are looking at the weekly right now. And if you can take a look at the price volume oscillator right over here, we are obviously coming from overbought areas. So we are going to experience a situation where the price, or rather the market is going to sort of kind of consolidate towards the bottom, and the most ideal area for you guys to obviously get to buy in is closer to minus 40, because this is like the risk-free zone. So if you take a look at everything right now, let's take a look at the moving average convergence divergence, which is the MACD, right? Okay, so right now I'm actually using a little bit of overpowered indicators, because I love to see a lot of moves way before everybody. So I have fine-tuned every setting right over here, so you can copy my settings. It doesn't really matter. So if you take a look at the weekly MACD, right, we are obviously kind of losing steam. We are losing momentum. So having a pullback from here is not really something which is going to be extraordinary. It's actually going to be like a perfect buying opportunity for a lot of you out there. And please do not misunderstand me. I'm not really saying that you're supposed to sell all your alternative cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin and then just forget about it the next year. No, I'm just saying, look, we are going to have a little bit of a pullback, because we've been having like a very good massive rally for the past 1 month. Okay, so it's very, very normal for the cryptocurrency markets to sort of pull back and then just let the indicators catch up. So if you take a look at all the major indicators, I mean the RSI, the MACD, the volume zone oscillator, if you take a look at the volume, the Bollinger Bands, like everything right now is actually pretty much overbought, and we just need to gain a little bit of momentum. So what I'm trying to say is, please give it a little bit of time. Let's say by the end of May, because obviously some more people have to get liquidated. Just come back before the end of May. Okay, you don't really have to look at the charts like every time, every day. No, you just have to like have a main perspective of what's really happening like in the whole entire cryptocurrency market, and then you're going to base your judgments off of that. And I'm not really going to give you like any price targets, because giving you price targets is going to make you very reluctant, and you are going to have a bias. And when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, right, whenever you have a bias, you are really going to make a lot of mistakes, because you just have to let the trading indicators guide you. Let's say, for example, before that major Bitcoin crash, right? If I told you that getting to buy Bitcoin around $5,000 was a very ideal thing to do, and that was like the bottom, right? You guys could have had losses. You guys could have been panicking when the price of Bitcoin dropped as low as 3,800. So the most important and smart thing that you can do is simply look for guidance as far as the trading indicators are concerned. So right now we are looking at the cryptocurrency total market cap excluding BTC, and this is for everybody that really wants to buy alternative cryptocurrencies. Okay, this is the whole entire alternative cryptocurrency market, and as you can see, we are really overbought, and we are at the buying climax right over here. So having some sort of pullback is pretty normal. So obviously, if you take a look at different indicators, like let's say for example, we look at the Fibonacci retracement, right? Let me see if I can get that. Hold on. Let me just try to look at the Fibonacci retracements real quick. All right, let's just do that. So the 38.2 is a very good place where we might experience a bounce back, and this is where we are right now. So obviously, if that area gets to be broken, which is about 71 billion US dollars, right? The next Fibonacci level is about the 61.8 Fib level, which is about 60 billion US dollars. So if I were you, I would obviously look forward to investing in alternative cryptocurrencies around the 6.1 Fibonacci level, which is below the 60.7 billion US dollars. The prices might even go down a little bit lower, but it doesn't really matter. So all I'm trying to say is be patient, just stand your ground, know what you're doing, and be extremely careful, because by the end of the day, it's all about dollar cost averaging. But dollar cost averaging only works if you know what you are doing. Okay, the thing is, minimize the risk that you are potentially about to encounter. So you can only do that by obviously finding the least risky price entry that you can, and of course, in case the price continues going down, you can always obviously dollar cost average. So dollar cost averaging doesn't just mean that you can just literally buy at any price, no, because you're just going to be losing money and you are going to be giving your money away. So please just be patient, come back by the end of May, and obviously we're going to continue analyzing and just scrutinizing everything. But right now for me, it's obviously a no-go. I was obviously taking a lot of profits, and I'm still going to continue taking profits off of the table. So when it comes to alternative cryptocurrencies, we still have a little bit of time. This is only the 11th of May, so obviously we are going to be so pumped, and we are going to be doing quite a lot of trades. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop me a comment in the comment section below. What are you doing right now? What alternative cryptocurrencies are you buying? Personally, I'm looking forward to buying Ethereum, Litecoin, Coin, Nanocoin, plus a whole lot of different alternative cryptocurrencies, which I'm just going to explain to you, and I'm just going to break down my cryptocurrency portfolio a little bit later. So this is one of the reasons why you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So have a great day. Without further ado, let me not disturb you very much, because I understand you are very busy. So take care, and talk to you probably tomorrow.